Hello friends, today I will show you how to make premium e-commerce proposal for a new customer. So firstly, what I would like to suggest you all is to create a few simple banner images and few infographics to highlight the features that you are going to offer to your customer who will be the new or upcoming customer. So that way it will be eye-catchy, and rather than a big story, the customer if spends 5 to 10 minutes in your proposal, he or she can understand what special things he or she will be getting in your premium package. Because you are giving a very simple point-wise and relevant words with infographics to get the customer interested to give you the project work. So now, in the first page, what I am showing is a banner, simple banner saying premium e-commerce package creating value for online stores. So friends, here you can put your company name and logo, and this is a simple banner where I have shown some mobile, tab, phones and laptop, desktop, etc. So now why I have put this attractive banner image in the front page? It's just to make the customer understand that whether he or she opens the website in a mobile or a tab or laptop or a desktop, it will be totally all device friendly, that is responsive. Now you will have to put your company name, address, website, URL, phone number, email ID, or if you are a freelancer and doing individual work, then you can put your details over there. So I have written XYZ, this is a dummy name, XYZ company, address, demo text, website, say for example www.xyz.com, phone number 123456, whatever. So you will have to put your website and URL and phone number, email ID, all these things here. And then this is the client's details, for example Miss ABC, and this is for like a premium e-commerce website, and telephone number, email ID and address. So all these are dummy text at the moment, so you will have to put your customer's details as well as your or your company details over there. It's all about the first page, right? Okay, now on the second page, what I am showing is the special highlights on our package. So what my second page is consisting, here I am showing the special features highlighting which will be included in the package. For example, one domain name free for 1 year, 5 email setup, shopping cart feature, PayPal payment gateway integration, delivery option available, adding of meta keywords and meta descriptions. These are some SEO terms. Then for example, ongoing cost £49 per month, including hosting, site issue checking with 4 hours of site maintenance support each month and with 24 hours response or customer support via calls and emails. So these are the things I am going to provide them. That's why I have written over there. So this will they will be benefited with these facilities. So I have put a simple diagram type infographics and point wise highlighting the special features here. So when it comes to any website, it's all about the functionality, features and design. And put your company name over there. So I have written XYZ company has always been the right choice for your website, right? So all these things you can add here. Now by this slide or banner page, you will make the customer feel confident about your other expertise areas, like if you or your company is also working with other technologies, platforms, frameworks. So all those can be highlighted there with a very simple infographics. So these are basically the logos that I have collected from the sites in Google, like PHP, WordPress, HTML, Magento, Joomla, etc. So these are the things, world-class design and development services, what I have pointed here. Like, what are the things they will be getting, the customer will be getting: high-end professional design, unique retailer user interface, robust e-commerce platform, competitive pricing, and we make it simple. So always keep the thing simple and easy to understand. So you are putting this sentence, we make it simple. Then there will be a page where you are becoming more specific to your customer and coming to the points, suggesting them the details, things that you will provide. Okay, so yeah, this is the next page. So you can put your own things, features that you will provide. I am just showing examples of what means what I will be providing. So I'm just showing examples of what can be included, like completely manageable e-commerce website, stock management and inventory management, shipping process and text management, delivery management, zoom into images and products, administration panel, competitive ready to use web store package. So the dashboard, make it a simple website where there will be a user friendly dashboard as well. Then that is administration panel, and then multiple product uploads. Actually there will be unlimited products uploading facility as well. And then full product management potential, cost and discount management system, incorporated discount and voucher system. All those features you can provide. So there are many more, like product catalog feature, system of comparing products, tool to other order management, system of customer management, payment gateway integration, protected checkout system, web-based installation wizard and store configuration, multiple categories, subcategories and sub means nested categories, uploads, banners, sliders, image uploading management, contact us page with Google Map and contact us form, email submission, SMTP configuration, then mobile responsive website design, search engine friendly URLs with sitemap integration of the website. So all these things I am providing in this package. Now extra feature to be included on the site. So this is another thing, means then you will suggest the extra features that can be included on his or her website, and like Facebook feed integration. So all social media feeds integration, basically like Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, etc. So that this will be a live feed, right, in the website. So all these things can be there. And then SSL and site lock security service addition in the website, which will be considered as an extra service apart from the site development or the site maintenance service. So to make the website more secure, there will be like HTTPS included. So that is this SSL, and also if possible site lock, so that there is less chance of hacking because of SSL and site lock integration, and at least customer can understand via the site lock, even if there is a chance or someone is trying to hack the site or anything like that, and this can be sorted as well. So these are the things that can be taken for the safety or security service, right? And then time frame and price you can put down. For example, I have written the estimated time frame of the project design and development is 30 days. So this is the time estimate, rough time estimate. And then price, the estimated cost of the website design and development is something like, you will have to put your price here. And the thing is, option I have put here for like 50% upfront payment and £49 per month for ongoing maintenance work as 12 months contract. So £49 is that thing, that I have shown in the second page. See, ongoing cost £49 per month, including hosting, site issue checking with 4 hours of site maintenance support and each month, and with 24 hours response or customer support via calls and emails. So these things, even if it got missed here by the customer, so they can see over here. So this is the thing that you can propose to your customer. So, and there is a client signed and dated. Here client will be signing and sending you back with their signatures, and put your company stamp here with signature, for XYZ company for example, with a date. So this was a very simple and point-wise features highlighted for a premium e-commerce website proposal for your customer. Hope you will like it and it will be helpful in your professional world. Thanks for watching. Keep sharing your knowledge, because knowledge is power, and if you share your knowledge, then you are becoming more powerful and helping others to become more knowledgeable as well. So thank you all.